So next up, guys, got a nice loader backhoe here. So this is a 2014 Deere 410K. Kind of go around and get a nice 360-degree view, but got just a little over 4,100 hours. Nice looking machine. Starts up, runs good. You got a cab, heat, air. It's got excavator controls for the backhoe. It's got extendahoe. Quick coupler for the bucket. There's also, I guess, auxiliaries for the bucket, so like you can rotate the bucket as well. I'll have pictures of that. But yeah, I'm here with Pat. He'll fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. It's got a radio. Radio works. So, you get Pat will fire it up and give you a nice demo. Starts right up. Said the air is cold in it. Air works. It is two-wheel drive. Pretty easy maneuver though. We'll do another video showing the backhoe working and outriggers dropping and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll make sure we kind of get both those videos done for you. Yeah, but good running unit, low hour. Should be ready to go to work. So there's just the driving video, bucket video on the 2014 Deere 410K. We'll get another one here showing the backhoe in action in a minute. That's that video. So yeah, good luck guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auction.